So hi guys, welcome back again in your favorite channel Crypto Financial Freedom. And friends, as you know that a documentary about the future you never saw coming, the highest of stakes, that is for Hacks community and powered by Richard Hurt and team friends. So don't miss this greatest documentary ever made for cryptocurrency and the honor of Hacks as well as the honor of Pulse Chain, which is going to be launched very soon. And he is also providing one of the best and highest and high paying airdrop cryptocurrency if you are holding Hacks or staking Hacks, friend. So what happened to Hacks continuously? Actually, since last 30 days it was much more tough for Hacks because so much pumpamental there by whales as well as people are unstaking, and these people want to book their profit, and they were very much scared because of the price was falling so much. This is the graph, friend, you can find it that if I select 30 days continuously, it was creating a new bottom and just recover it and again bottom bottom bottom. But this was the lucky day today in October, which is going to be end today. Only few hours are remaining there. After that it is going parabolic, and also it is the reason that BTC is down a little bit. This may be the cause of increasing the price of Hacks, that is 25% plus from there, because if we talk regarding 24 hours, the price was from 0.20, it was the lower price within 24 hours to 0.264, so almost it was 25% profit. That's awesome, friend. This is Hacks. Actually it is it is inversely proportional to crypto market, or you can say BTC market. It never follow the trend of Bitcoin, but it oppose the trend of Bitcoin. Ever I have seen many times, friend, when BTC is creating new all-time high, it creates this bottom, friend, and this is the time to create bottom. As well as BTC would be stable, this would create new highs as it was $0.51 new highs, and again it would start to create pumping, fans, as it started in September to pump much more 10x from there. So again now this is the time to be 10x from here within upcoming 2 months, mid Christmas to New Year. Okay guys, so don't be scared. If you are staking and already staked and the holder, do not emergency unstake, otherwise you would impose a very big penalties over there, and that would be a very huge loss of your money and asset, and you would repent when this token would be amazing price more than $1 to $2 by the end of the year, or you can say the beginning of the new year of that month. So this is the website which is just requesting to people who want to be the part of this historical documentary. From there you can just donate some of your crypto if you want to help these guys, because early holders and the people who invested early are generating and printing millions and billions of dollars every year. Okay guys, so go through there, you can also do that, and I am also bringing a lot of new content to all of you guys just for making it strengthen and powering our community. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, as well as follow me on Twitter, and join my Instagram as well as Telegram group, and please donate to explore myself as well as my team to bring you day by day awesome projects and also some of the gems I would discuss in this video. And we are much more excited for the Pulse chain, as it is some delayed, but we are super excited. to launch of this fund, because almost the speculations are coming out that it is going to be launched of while 50 to 500x, and maximum it could reach to 700 to 1000x by day 1 to day 7. Okay, so Richard Heart is in crypto since 2017, but he is in before that. As he said, he is on more than 1 million Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of things. He's a multi-billionaire guy, and making people millionaires and billionaires. On same way, we are also following these guys and team friend. I am also the great fan of this guy as well as the community, because they are good one, but some of the people has come the loose handed, and they are unstaking emergency and creating the panic sale to the scenario. That's why this was the cause of October, and it's fall down continuously. Okay friends, so that's all from Hex, and now people started to take some of the profit, as these guys are going to sell again. As you can see, there is the dip friend. It's continuously buying from here, from this zone, because this was the bottom. I have already told you in my previous videos that there is a much more strong buying support on $0.2, and you can also see the price went fall probably there, whatever I have predicted. It was 0.203, so in rand figure you can take it $0.2, but not below than that. So that's the good point for that. If we talk regarding all-time high, the all-time high is ever 48% from here. That is not much more. Hex can do this within the same day, as today 25% plus, and tomorrow it would be again 25%, and within 2 days it would cover to all-time high and would create new all-time high very soon. But who knows, whales can dump any time, and also many of the weak and loose-handed would unstake emergency, and they would sold out the things, and again it can touch the bottom of 0.2 or $0.15 even. So also get ready to that trend, but this shows the parabolic rise of here. If Bitcoin is not continuously rising up, I am damn sure Hex would definitely create new all-time high from here, because it's always move opposite to Bitcoin. Okay guys, so don't wait for that, and congrats to those guys who fill the bag in the bottom, and they just created a smart money within time, within the day. So it was the super lucky Ritu guys who have just take entry in the bottom price, and the price just jump within few hours friend. If you talk regarding I think some 10 to 12 hours, this was the price, only took 25%. So that's awesome, amazing. And keep eye with the Hex as well as Pulse Chain, and whatever the tokens I have suggested you in my previous videos, you can go through friends. And also there is going to be in one of the best airdrop from Indian app, that is Chingari. You can get while sign up from my link 100 tokens from there, and if you follow and continuously creating content, you can find out a lot of new tokens, and many NFTs are on way. Okay guys, so comment in the box what may be your target price for Hex within November 15 to 30, and what do you think regarding Pulse Chain, when it would start. Okay, also friend, I told you regarding UFO. UFO is doing nice friend, and it did good profit. And also keep eye to free UFO as well as Shiba Inu. Okay guys, so that was the token actually I just picked yesterday, and Unfortunately, due to not being proper internet connectivity at that time, that was my bad luck, I could not pick, and this token just jumped 24x within 24 hours, friend. So you can imagine, friend, it is insane and would make all insane, friend. What a profit. Whatever the work you are doing, many people are not able to do their money within 10 years 25x, but here you can have such a chance, friend. The golden opportunity, you can say the jackpot here, that is be converted within the day. So this is crypto, friend. It can transform your life within the day, even if you are quite lucky and having good patience, and keep eyes, having good education, good knowledge, and if you subscribe the good smart people, they can make you money. If you are new in the crypto, you don't know what and how to do, this is the best way, because sometime if you are following to wrong guys who are not having good knowledge, so they can promote scammy coins and you can fall down, and you can lose your all the money, hard money. As when I was also a major while in this industry, I lost a lot of money, friend. Although I made a much money, but I lost everything because of I was dependent to other people. But now I am self-dependent and researching myself, analysis, and doing a lot of things and bringing a very good content to my community who are following me in just free of cost, friend. But after this new year, I am bringing some my paid courses, friend. So be sure that you be the part of my YouTube channel as well as Telegram group. Otherwise, after 2 months, this would be paid, friend. Okay. So this was the token, actually Mini Kishimoto, which I was navigating yesterday. And although I just go through this one the day before yesterday, but I was much more busy, because as you all know guys, there is going to be renovation and it would take somehow 2 months, so I'm quite busy. But along with that, I'm just giving time to this content. So you can see the growth, friend. That was amazing. This was the same trend like Shiba Inu, but the price went almost 20x to 25x within a day, within 24 hours. And now the price fall down again, and it's 0.5 times 0198. But this was the problem, that this token is only available on Uniswap. If you want to buy this one, you need to kill your $150 as a gas fees, as it is going to be very suicidal, friend. And this was the cause, but I also tried much more, and there was also some problem of the slippage, because I was setting to 0.5 to 0.1 to 1, even 5, but I could not able to buy this one because the slippage was 12 actually. So unfortunately my internet dead at that time, and I tried 10 times but failed. But when I wake up in the morning and I saw the price, friend, oh god, I became fainted. The price went skyrocket. It was almost 20x from where I left, friend. So this happened with you sometime. Whatever the coins or token you want to choose, it can go oppose of you if you are not picking up, or sometime it become lossful also. As I told you the last story of Shiba Inu, I missed that one while inception. So past is past, friend. Just keep patience, keep believe on this one. One day or the other you would become rich, friend, if you are continuously with this industry. I just quit my job and each and everything, and now I am creating my focus again. Although I am lagged behind to 2017, because that was the time, my super lucky time at that time. But now again I am bringing that time to my life. Although my luck is not working, but I am not depend on my luck, because I would create my luck by my smart work as well as my hard work, friend. So you would get n number of such projects in your life, but be consistent, friend. Okay guys, so see you in the next video with some of the best gems, and please do not forget to like and hit for 50 likes, as well as I need some 50 some new subscribers from this video, so that I can bring each and every day very good gems from 10x to 100x, even 1000x. If you get such token, this one below than this 50%, you must grab this one, friend. Otherwise it can also hit like a Shiba Inu. Okay guys, because the team is good and holders are increasing. Okay, and also my favorite one, UFO, is there guys. So see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Please subscribe.